Hey everyone, this is Jesus again, but you can call me Howl, and welcome to Howl's Corner. We're always going to be talking about movies, video games, anime, the things I love, and of course, as you saw in the title for this video, we're going to be talking about Lego. We're going to be building a set, specifically this set. And if you love Star Wars and if you love Mando and Grogu, you're going to enjoy this. I know we're going to have a great time, so let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see, we emptied out the bags. So we've got it all here on the desk. We're just going to quickly as possible separate into the same colors, roughly the same shapes if that's also possible. But yeah, I'm going to try to do that as quickly as we can. All right, see a pair of legs there, so I'm just taking a wild guess. That's going to be from Mando here. We may just adjust a little bit just so that we can get this separated a bit quicker. Maybe not focus too much on getting it all organized beforehand. Either way, this is going to be a good build. Really excited about this one. So how many of you guys have watched all of the seasons of The Mandalorian or have not seen any of it? Curious. Curious how many of you guys are actually Star Wars fans as well. And if you have any Lego sets to your name. Alright, we're getting there. I have a couple of Star Wars sets, and this is now the third that I will have been building here. Oh, that looks like a helmet. I'm gonna guess that's him. Oh, and look at that. Looks like we've got Grogu. Got a head, got a torso, got a jet pack. And that would definitely be Grogu's head. Okay, and with that, we've separated it all out. Alright. Actually, go figure, the first step is to build Mando. So we're just connecting his feet to his torso. We're grabbing his jetpack and his head. Sliding the jetpack on first, and subsequently dropping it straight onto the desk. Look at that little dude. Plunking his helmet on. And then connecting Grogu together. I don't know if you can see that. That's coming through. There he is. So we got the two of them built. I'm just going to stick them off to the side for right now. Okay, next up. Looks like we're going to grab this piece here. And we're getting two of these pieces. One on each corner, like so. I'm going to get this piece right here. Stick that on like that. Let's flip everything over. And we're looking for this piece right here, connecting it right there. Next up are these two pieces. We're going to put these ones upside down right there, just like that. Okay, so the next piece is, if I can find it, I will let you know what it is. this one here. We need actually two of them. So those two pieces, as well as, let's see if we can't find it. Looks like we need these two pieces as well. Alright, so we're going to be sticking that in like so. On both of them. And we're going to be attaching that, what we just built. Actually, before we do that, we're going to grab a couple more pieces. So let's grab another one. I apologize. Flip it back over. That was my fault. Flip it back over. We're going to attach this right here and right here. So it should look like that. Okay. Next, we're looking for this piece right here. Put that right on the front. And one of these pieces as well. Right there. This square piece. Put that right on top. Like so. Okay, next. We have these all triangular looking pieces. Putting them right onto the build, right in these two spots. Next, we're looking for this piece right here. And this piece. So we're going to take this piece, stick that right there, and this one, and put it right there. Next up, we're looking for these two pieces. So let's attach that one here and one right here. Okay, let's take everything and flip it over. Looking for these two pieces. Satisfying snap. Right there, so you can see where they go. These two right here. Alright, we can take everything, slide it off to the side. We're going to need one of these. We're going to need this one as well. We're going to need one of these. One of these. That one. And that one. Okay. Let's attach these two together. And on one end, actually I grabbed the wrong piece, so not this one, but this one is all we're going to need. We're going to go on one end, snap that into place. And we're going to take this guy here, and again I grabbed the wrong piece. So, or rather, I didn't get enough pieces. So we're going to grab this one as well. We're going to put this on the front of that one right there, and then place it snapped right there. Next, you're going to take and you're going to connect these two and put that right on the front. you're going to take what we have built earlier. I want you to flip this over. You're going to attach it to the, well, I guess this is the bottom, but still, you're going to attach it to the piece, to the rest of the build right there. Let's go and flip things back over. We need these two pieces. We're going to attach them. I don't know if I'm getting that right. We're attaching them right here and right here. Next, we need these ones. Which will go in L pattern, like so. Well, two L's. And grab two of these little pieces here. Place them on the inside. Right there. Next up, these two pieces. We are going to now snap them into place right there and right here. Next up, we've got these pieces, which will go here and here. Next, grab this, build it up. I'm going to take two of these pieces here. One on each side. Next, we're going to take these two. One there, and one here. Next, we're getting these two pieces, 1 and 2. Snapping that there and there. Okay, you're going to need these 3 pieces for the next one. These 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Alright, next, find this piece. We're going to put that right here. Let's get these 2 ones, stick them here and here. Let's get this one here and put this right over that hole, right there. So let's take this long stick, the short end, we're going to insert it right in there. Perfect. Next up, we're going to grab these two pieces, connect them like so, and then we're going to stick this on the other end, just like that. Actually, yeah, rotate it the other way, just for your own sake. And we're going to be putting these two gray pieces on top of that black square. So right there. Next up, we have this piece, which is going to go right here, so right there. And then we have one of these little clear plastic ones. I'm going to put like right, I'm going to put it right there. All right, let's take this and slide it off to the side. We're going to build something else now. So we're going to take this piece right here, as well as this piece right here. Connect them together. We'll take this and insert it to the end, like so. Then we're going to grab this piece here and slide it into place, like so. And then we're going to take this and this, and we're going to connect those two together, and we're going to slide it into place on the other end, just like that. Next up, we're going to get these two pieces, connect them, and stick that onto the end, right there, just like that. And we need to build this twice. So take that off to the side and redo everything you just did. So we're going to take this one and this one, connect these two together. Take this guy here, insert it there, slide this one onto it, take these two, connect them together, slide them on, take these, connect them together, and then attach it to the front. So you should have two identical pieces that you just built. Looks like we're getting close there. We're at the home, or in the home stretch. All right, now we're going to be attaching them to the build. So you can see there's an opening. That's where we're going to be attaching this piece. One on one side, and then one on the other. And there we go. Got that attached. All right, so next up, you're going to be taking, we're going to get 4 of these little green-ish, lime, highlighter green, whatever color or wording you want to use. We're going to be sliding them into these pieces right here. According to the instructions, they kind of slide in on the side, and you'll start to fit them in. I believe you'll fit them in. Is there more than one at a time? I guess it's not. it's just two at a time. So there's two of them in there, and then the other two, I guess we're just keeping off to the side. And we should be able to, let's see if it works. That's right, we can press that and it shoots it right out of the front of the Starfighter Microfighter. Okay, just be careful, don't point that at your face or anyone else's face. And with that, it looks like we're almost done. We're just about there. Looks like we're going to be sticking Mando and Grogu into the build now, so bear with me just a moment. Let's take one of these blasters and pop it into Mando's hand. So he's got a blaster. So then let's take and insert Mando and Grogu, have them seated into the build. So, as far as I can tell, we're just going to take Mando and slide him in and sit him down. Oh, that's perfect. And then young Grogu, attach him right there. Would you look at that? How amazing is that? Perfect. Gotta love the details and how it looks. All right. As with all the other ones, they do come with extra bits and bobs. So we'll just take that and put that there. It's fantastic. Great job, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed building that with me. It was a lot of fun. I can't wait for the next one. So until then, be good, and I'll see you then.